And now your local Weather Authority forecast.
A bit of a muggy start across the basin, but skies mostly clear from clouds for now. This is a live look at the tall city early on your Wednesday morning. Still dark out there. Under night vision, we have a decent look at downtown Midland. If you look closely enough, that haze layer along the southern sky indicates low-level moisture, water vapor, and more moisture today. Despite the above normal temperatures, may produce more not only clouds but thunderstorms. Satellite and radar showing though a pretty quiet start. Those wind particles on the satellite and radar loop moving from southeast to northwest, indicating that southeasterly flow from the Gulf of Mexico all the way to eastern and west Texas. More of a muggy weather pattern. These gray colors indicate low-level clouds creeping closer into eastern west Texas. But meanwhile, most of the basin starting off mostly clear from clouds for now. There will be more clouds later today. Low-level moisture higher compared to yesterday morning. 93% relative humidity in Midland, close to 100% relative humidity in Dryden. But from the Marfa Plateau to Presidio, much drier air between 50 to 75% relative humidity values. And air temperatures, either way, though, pretty mild basin-wide. 73 right now in Presidio. Meanwhile, 54, the cool spot in the basin. And Marfa sitting at 61 in Midland, 63 right now in a Big Spring. Temperatures will eventually rise this afternoon in the 80s, low 90s for most, upper 70s, low to mid 80s in the higher terrain of the Marfa Plateau, the Davis Mountains, the Guadalupe Mountains. I think we'll be reaching the low 90s today or upper 80s around I-20. This model slightly overestimating our temperatures because of the cloud cover and the humidity, keeping temperatures from rising too much out there. Mostly clear skies, sitting at 61 again, officially at the airport in Midland. 93% relative humidity. A south-southeasterly breeze at 9 miles per hour as temperatures rise. So there's winds generally pretty light from the south-southeast, again around 5 to close to 10 miles per hour. And as again those temperatures rise, those winds will pick up from the Marfa Plateau to Dryden. That southeasterly flow supplying the above normal temperatures, the humid air, but most likely stable enough that will likely remain rain-free today in Midland and Odessa, warming up to 89. Cloudier today, winds again from the south-southeast from 5 to 15 miles per hour. Mostly clear skies this morning, but more clouds later today and throughout the evening with some spotty showers and rumbles of thunder around Snyder, Abilene, and these storms could be capable of producing heavy rain, hail, frequent lightning, and strong wind gusts. Clouds lingering overnight. Very mild in the 70s, winds from the south-southeast from 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow, thunderstorms later in the day. Before then, high temperature 89, low temperature 67. Southerly winds will rise. Again, there is a chance of severe weather tomorrow, especially. Again, the main threats being heavy rain, hail, frequent lightning, strong winds. I think more likely we'll see that rain tomorrow in places like Midland and Odessa. And then after those storms move on through, a bit more of a cooler and drier weather pattern after tomorrow. Again, today muggy, tomorrow even muggier. And after the storms move through, clear skies and slightly lower temperatures, pretty close to normal temperatures for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But the cost to some of those westerly wind gusts blowing dust.